Why do we explore? I think venturing out into low Earth orbit and beyond helps us to better understand who we are and our place in the solar system and the universe. My name is Kjell Lindgren, and I'm the commander for NASA's SpaceX Crew 4 mission to the International Space Station. I grew up in an Air Force family, and so I was born in Taiwan and spent the first 2 years of my life there. We lived in Kansas and Illinois, and then we were transferred to England. It was a phenomenal upbringing. The opportunity to experience different cultures, it really opened my eyes to what it means to be an American. I've wanted to be an astronaut for as long as I can remember. I think I was inspired by the very first space shuttle launch in April of 1981.